So-hee is a South Korean actress. Han was born on 18 November 1994 and attended Ulsan Girls High School. In 2020, Han starred in JTBC's Smash Hit the World of the Married alongside Kim Hee-ae and Park Hae-joon, in which she played a lead role as a young mistress. The drama ended its run as the highest rated drama in Korean cable television history. Han received widespread recognition thanks to the drama's huge success. In 2019, Han played a supporting role in Abyss alongside lead actors Hyo-seop and Park Bo-young. Han appeared in SHINee's Tell Me What to Do music video in 2016. She made her acting debut in a minor role in Reunited Worlds. She got her first main roles in MBC TV's Money Flower in 2017 and TVN's 100 Days My Prince in 2018. Later in 2018, she starred in KBS show's After the Rain and made an appearance in Roy Kim's The Hardest Part. Her first role in a drama was in the 2017 series Into the World Again, where she played Lee Seo-won. Her pretty looks and acting skills aren't all she has up her sleeve. So-hee is such a versatile talent that besides acting in K-dramas, she also starred in music videos like That Girl by CN Blues Jang Young-hwa and SHINee's Tell Me What to Do.